today's video we're making homemade flatbread pizza. We're going to start by doing our crust mixture. I typically make this mixture because I feel like adding this mixture makes your pizza taste good. And I like to pre-bake my crust. I don't know how everybody else makes their pizza. And using a naan bread is very convenient and it's already flat. I love flat pizza. So I'm going to list every ingredient in the description box, and also I'm going to try to put it above in the video. For our tomato sauce, we're just going to use tomato sauce and these ingredients listed above. You can use Prego or ragu that's already, already made for you. But this is what I had and this is what I use. I always make adjustments. And for your toppings, you can always use any toppings that you wish. One time I just used spinach and onions and bell peppers, but today I decided to use shrimp, some arugula, and some spinach. So for our naan bread, go ahead and spray the bottom so it doesn't stick, and also we're going to start spreading on our crust mixture, and then this is when you're going to put it in the oven for about 5-6 minutes on 350 degrees Fahrenheit, so that way it warms it up, to help the cooking process, because you're going to get very hungry. So once all your mixture is in, you're going to put that in the oven, and then we'll put our toppings on a little bit later. Now our pizza is out the oven. Look how it looks. There's a big difference. You can see like the dark brown spots on the left side. So that's what I like. So now I'm going to put my tomato sauce. And for the tomato sauce, you can put as light or as heavy. I like a lot of sauce, so I'm going to put a lot of sauce. Most of it's going to cook anyways, so I add a lot of sauce to mine. I actually added the whole thing, so yeah. And spread that evenly, coat that up, and like I said, any tomato sauce that you wish to add, you can add as light or as heavy as you wish. This is your pizza. And now let's add our toppings. Like I said, I added some leftover shrimp, bell pepper, some arugula, some spinach. If you want, just add just the spinach and arugula, or just add your tomato sauce and cheese and have you a cheese flatbread pizza. And then we're going to add our Italian blend cheese. Use whatever cheese that you desire, but this is what I had on hand. We're not going to run to no grocery store to get any ingredients. This video is set to use whatever you have on hand that is very cost efficient. And what I noticed with making my pizzas, I like to have like an aftertaste. So I want to taste the herbiness on top. So what I usually do is I sprinkle a little bit of Italian seasoning or basil on top and a little bit of crushed red pepper, and that's what I like. You may not like it. You can just literally spray a little bit of Pam or olive oil and call it a day, but that is up to you. And we're gonna cook this for about 13 to 15 minutes on 350, and towards the end I put it on broil for a couple of minutes because I like color. Make sure you allow your pizza to rest, and you don't want to dive in because your tongue will burn. I know it looks very scrumptious, you're getting hungry. But yeah, I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. This is a quick and easy lunch. You can eat this with a salad. And for me, I just put a little bit of barbecue sauce on top, and I had it with a little bit of ranch. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. See y'all next time. Bye.